What's up, folks? Todd here, SEMA 2023. I've got Peter with me. Peter's going to explain to us about the Elevate Rack and the expansion we've done on that. What do we got, Peter?
So, Truxedo Elevate Rack, right? Everybody's aware of the in-the-bed segment that we all store our stuff in, right? So we've come out with the Elevate Rack and the expansion to it with the crossbar, universal T-slot rail in the crossbar, which allows you to mount your roto packs, your mole panel, something like that.
Traction boards, anything, yeah.
Traction boards. So if you're tight on space, now you have over the bed to keep that stuff there.
Yeah, I don't have to put it in the bed of the truck.
Exactly.
Awesome, I love it. So what else we got?
So we have our universal roof basket mounted on top of our Elevate Rack. Exact same mounting style with your universal T-slot hardware.
Man, that's awesome.
Pretty simple, on and off. Now you have your storage on top too, as well as room on the other side to put your lumber or whatever you may need to go to camp for the weekend.
There you go. So what other types of products do we have in this Elevate expansion?
We have a couple more accessories that we're offering now. One of them being our kayak holder. So we have some kayak racks that'll, of course, same, here we are again on that universal T-slot, right?
That is awesome.
Slides in the rack, easy on and off, hold your kayak. We also have a bike rack in the works as well, so things to look out for. And,
nice.
And all of these accessories will mount to most crossbars that are on the market also now.
Very cool. All right, folks, if you are interested in the Elevate Rack or that expansion, any of those expansion components, you can go to RealTruck.com, you can click Buy Now, or you can click on the dealer locator and find the dealer nearest you, and they will help you out.